Got a 2013 Ford F150 3.5 EcoBoost. It makes a noise when you accelerate, so I decide to, from the driver's side, the noise come, and I decide to remove the axle and see what's the problem. And here is what I found on the wheel bearing. You can see the gears is gone, and you can see the debris already gone. So I'm going to get the wheel bearing. You can see this one also. This thing is moving like a board. And I got this part online also, a little bit cheaper. So that should be the problem is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like my video if you want.